What's up guys, it's me, NovaVR, and I'm just gonna tell you, you might have saw those people with those bags and a crowbar in their tiny bags. Well, I have a bag one step away, and it's actually very powerful. First, it has so many bags, so I'm gonna abuse it once and for all. Spend enough time. That's it, we're gonna do it.
Owie over here.
Whoa, big? No. No, stop. Wow, stop. Please. Whoa! Wow, why you kill me? Stop. Why?
But yeah, now you know why it's powerful. I can make anything in there. I can put anything like giveaway things, and this is so crazy. But yeah, it was NovaVR here. I hope you would like to watch my shorts. It's day 2 of trying to get the creator hat.